Stranded on this island.
Hey guys, it's Pat here at Manitoulin Island RC. How are ya? What a beautiful day it is today. It's only maybe about -2, -3 degrees Celsius. Not too sure exactly what that is in Fahrenheit, but today we're playing with the Bronco 2021 Traxxas Bronco, and I've got it equipped with the Traxx. The trick with these Traxx, a lot of people don't like them because they say, oh, they're no good in the snow and they freeze up. Well, you're supposed to leave the rig outside for a while to climatize, so when you do run the Traxx in the snow doesn't melt immediately and then freeze up, basically causing jams or letting the track come off its wheels. So yeah, it's actually really cool. I like it a lot. I have a lot of fun with the Traxx. It is powered right now with a Hobbywing Fusion 1800, and I usually run it in first gear. I try not to take it out of first, but with this motor it will handle second gear for a while. It does get pretty hot though, so I wouldn't run it for too long in second gear. I have upgraded the servo. It's got the 35 kilogram Amazon special. Did have to upgrade because the stock servo just doesn't really handle the Traxx very well. And the stock motor I burnt out pretty quick with the Traxx. So be aware if you are going to run these Traxx with the stock motor. There's a good likelihood you might burn out the stock motor. The terrain right now is really cool for the Traxx. Really kind of see them work. The ice is building up out here. You can really see how it's kind of thickening. That's not frozen out there yet, but it's getting soupy. There's a blowhole, so when the waves were kind of crashing into shore, it would kind of blow out the hole like a geyser. Yeah, one thing about the Traxx too is they do flex a little bit, so they probably would run a little better, with like a high lift kit, but I try not to flex it like crazy, and of course I'm not really bashing it right now, so. Gotta watch where I'm stepping here too. It's pretty icy and slick. Not too sure exactly where I'm going. But the terrain is endless right now, so it's kind of cool. And every year it changes. It's never freezes up the same, so it's like a whole new canvas kind of thing. Not even sure if I'm going to make it up this. Oh yeah, no problem. They do slide sideways a little bit. That's one thing I've noticed. On ice, of course, like any Traxx, they aren't the greatest side hilling. Woo! Thought for sure it was gonna flip there. Hey Archie, you gonna go save it? There we go. See if I can straddle that little blowhole right there without falling into it. That was kind of cool. Good boy, buddy. You searching for gators? Yeah, we don't have any gators here on Manitoulin Island. I just figured the dog might be looking for them. Who knows? Wonder if I can get some close-up action without falling through the ice. Oh, it's jammed in. Got it. No, didn't think I was gonna make that. As soon as the Traxx hit a ridge, they tend to not want to climb it. Not too sure if I'll make it up this part. There we go. Okay. We'll go back and make it over. Let it slide down a little. No. See how it's jammed in there? That's not good. So you do have to really watch what you're doing with these Traxx too, because they can easily get damaged if you jam them up and hit the throttle too hard. Especially with this motor, it's got so much torque. Alright, might have to pick a new route here. You know what? I can go right through that right there. Maybe up this. Come on, you can make it up that. Oh, just barely. Lots of rubbing. Sliding. Not too sure where I'm going to go here. I'm going to get off the ice. There it is. Oh, this is fun. Archie, hey! Come on, bud. I enjoy just watching these trucks kind of articulate and watching the Traxx turn and grip and slip. And yeah, I might cut the body a little bit, cut the fenders just a tiny bit. Probably not even enough to notice, and give the Traxx a little bit more room to flex. You see where it's hitting in the rear corner. It's not too bad. Well, I'm going to keep playing for a while, guys. I really hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching Manitoulin Island RC, and I hope you guys are having a really good day. Please subscribe if you guys are interested in watching more videos. Hit the thumbs up, and we'll see you real soon with maybe a different rig. I'm still waiting for the steering servo for the VS410 Pro kit that I just built. So it's not out yet, but it will be soon. Yeah, hopefully the servo comes in soon. Thanks again for watching, guys, and this is Manitoulin Island RC signing out. Cheers. Peace.